If everything feels heavy right now, the answer usually isn't to push harder. In this video, we explore why that happens and why awareness is the first step, especially if you're carrying up and down or carrying responsibility that never seems to pause. You've lived through real challenges, you've solved real problems, you've been the person everyone comes to when they get stuck. You've navigated layoffs, raised families, worked long hours, adapted to change, carried responsibilities some have never even touched yet. And because of that, you have what most people online are trying to create from scratch: wisdom, clarity, perspective, and real life skills. Think about it. You've coached coworkers without it being called coaching. You've trained people without it being called teaching. You've solved workplace problems without it being called consulting. You've figured out systems at work and home without it being called framework. But that's exactly what people pay for. Not perfection, not fancy tech, not credentials. They pay for experience from someone who knows where they are and knows how to guide them. That's why people approaching 50 or above are actually the most qualified to build online income. You don't need to invent anything. You just need someone to show you how to take what you already have inside and turn it into something simple, meaningful, and profitable. That's exactly what I teach inside the Retire Ready with James Experience to Income Starter. How to unpack your experience, how to find the parts people will pay for, how to turn all those years of problem solving into an income system that supports your life instead of draining it. Because you're not starting over, you're starting ahead. And before you do anything with that, this is a good place to pause. Not to decide anything, not to commit to anything. Just notice. Notice what felt familiar. Notice what quietly made sense. Notice what you may have brushed past before. You don't need answers right now. Perspective comes first. Seeing where you are, seeing what you already carry, seeing what might finally deserve your attention. Clarity changes everything. If you want a quiet place to slow down, remember, I have a free Experience to Income Starter. Click the link below today.